Okay, sometimes in life we actually need changes, and changes do come in a number of ways. Like, it doesn't have to be significantly huge. Today I'm going to refer to a video of Nalopia which I want to react to, where she's moved to a new setup or a new room. If you've followed Nal for a while now, you'll understand that she actually moved from the previous house to a new house. There are some wedding plans in between. I hope you're gonna like the video, so make sure you smash a thumbs up button for this video. It helps it reach a wider audience out there, and also consider subscribing, turn on post notification. And with that, guys, let's head straight into the video.
Give it to me, my girlfriend yelled. I'm so fucking wet.
Moments before disaster. If you've been watching the Twitch live, and you would understand what the rest of the words in that TTS actually do say, and it's not good. I don't know who validated that TTS. Is it Nal herself? Did she allow it? And also, what's happening in this video? Is Nal trying to do a cooking stream, or what is this? I see things that look like snacks. I can see a pie. What is she trying to make? What is not happening? What is that loud noise? Has she found her cats eating the eggs? Why is she shouting like that? Oh, wait. Was that a TTS? Might be actually thinking it was Nal who was shouting and it's the TTS. What is she baking today? Because it appears like she wants to bake something. This is a strange thing. Looks like spaghetti. Looks like noodle. What is she preparing?
There's a fly. It's cute that y'all think this is a cooking stream. That's cute. Holy. I should explain, eh?
Oh, she's brought more. Or is she doing those sort of videos like the ones that she did last year, which was called pregnancy cravings or something like that? Maybe she's trying that type of video today.
This is egg check.
I should explain. Are we having a mukbang? No. I should explain. No, we're not. We're not having. I wish it was. No. No, gosh, I wish we were having a mukbang. It is not. Okay.
If it's not a mukbang, or if it's not a cooking stream, then what is it? Tell us, man. We're curious.
Okay. Alright.
If you walk into a forest and cut down a tree, but the tree doesn't understand why you cut it down, do you think it's stumped?
Oh, that's a good question. Chat, what do you think? Do you think the tree is stumped? Actually, trees do not have feelings if you think about it. It's a living organism, yeah? But it doesn't have feelings. Let me know your opinion in the comment section down there below. It will be really good to interact and let us share thoughts.
Maybe. It's not a cooking stream.
You see there, that's the face of a person trying to deflect the question and trying to move faster to another item. Well, she didn't just want to answer that, because if she'd answer that, then maybe chat would improvise a new way to troll her based on the answer she would have given. Pretty much expected in Nalopia's stream. And about this stream now, I understand. I've read one of the comments, several comments, not actually one, comments that I'm going up. One of the chat members is saying that this is neither a mukbang nor a cooking stream. Is a punishment. Now, I don't know what sort of pact Amber went into with chat or one of the mod members. What happened? Because if it's a punishment, then this must be an interesting VOD. I'm sorry, I had to end the clip there. I think I'll find it again and continue it, so make sure you check so that I post the video again. And well guys, that's the end of the stream. I hope you liked the video, so make sure you smash that thumbs up button for this video. Helps it reach a wider audience out there. Also consider subscribing, turn on post notification, and don't forget to check my previous uploads. They're super entertaining, and the playlist, I insist on the playlist, and also the incoming uploads henceforth. And with that guys, let me meet you in the next upload. Peace out.